Hello everyone, this is lesson number 34, HSK 3, chapter 12, and we continue to learn. First word for today is 护照, passport. Here is 照 represent some document, some 护照. I forgot to bring my passport. I a bit increased volume of the lesson, so if you write in the comments what do you think. Maybe a bit louder, maybe a bit lower. And I also decreased this magic wand, so you do not disturb it so much. Hope it will be helpful. So, I forgot to bring my passport. 我忘记带护照了. I 忘记 to forget something. So I forgot because you can say it's past simple. 我忘记带 to bring something. 带护照 it's a passport. So I forgot to bring my passport. 我忘记带护照了. 我忘记 I forgot to take 带 to bring 护照了. Passport. Next one, the passport is in my bag. 护照在我的包里. 护照 passport 在 at 我的包里. 包 it's a bag, 里 inside of something. So 护照 passport 在 at 我的包里. 我的包里. Bao it's a bag. So 护照在我的包里. Passport inside my bag. Bao, here is bag. It could be a big bag, it could be a small bag. Have different, but it's common word. So 护照在我的包里. Passport inside my bag. Next one, he needs a passport to travel. 他需要护照去旅行. He 需要 needs very need. So it's obligatory. It's he must. Require is a good one. So he require necessary. 对 necessary. 他需要 he needs 护照 passport 去. Here is to translated like to or for or to go to 旅行 travel to travel. So 他需要护照去旅行. He needs passport to travel. 需要护照去旅行. Next one, 太阳 sun. We know we have sun word 热 but sometimes if in spoken language we use 太阳 for represent sun, because 热 also could be 热, that's force. It also could be day. For example, 星期日 Sunday. But we cannot say 星期太阳. We cannot say that. But 太阳 it's sun. Let's see. But as you can see in this 阳, you also can see this the sun. So the sun is very bright. 太阳很亮. 太阳 the sun, 很 is very, 亮 it's like bright. It also could be verb to shine, but here is 很, so 很亮 is very bright. 太阳很亮. Next one, the sun sets in the west. 太阳从西边落下. So the sun sets it's go down in the west. So 太阳 the sun 从 from 西边 it's west 边 is side, so west side or the west. 西边落 it's to go down, to set, to go down. 下 it's also represent down direction. 落 also means decrease, but here's just to go down. So 太阳从西边落下，太阳从西边落下。You cannot say just 下 because 下从I think you can say but落 is better. 落下。The sun is very strong today. 今天太阳很大。今天 today 太阳 the sun and is very 大 big. But if we talk about sun, it's of course not big, it's strong because the sun is always big. But here strong. 今天太阳很大。And you cannot say 太阳很多 because it's very a lot of, but we need to say 很 you can say 太阳很厉害 or 太阳很大。太阳很强 also could be, but here is 大 is good one. 今天太阳很大 is very strong. Next word is 黑板 黑板 hey it's black, 板 it's board, so blackboard. 黑板 let's see. The teachers draws on the blackboard. 老师 of course here is 白板 whiteboard. 老师在黑板上画画。So 老师 teacher 在 at 黑板 blackboard and 上在什么什么上 on top of something. So on the board. 老师在黑板上画画。Also you can say 画 just 画 draws. 老师在黑板上画画。Next one, the blackboard is very clean. 黑板很干净。黑板 blackboard and is very 干净 it's clean 干净。黑板很干净。The blackboard is very clean. I use the blackboard to teach math. 我用黑板教数学。我用 it's to use something. You cannot say 用 it's 用。我用黑板 blackboard 教 to teach something. 数学 number and science learn study, so just math. 数学我用黑板教数学。I use blackboard to teach math. Next one is 行李箱 行李 it's a traveling 箱 it's a box. So 行李箱 suitcase or boot. Suitcase is good one. For example, for traveling in airplane. My suitcase is very heavy. Baggage also could be. Suitcase, trunk, luggage. Baggage, case, briefcase. 行李箱 My suitcase is very heavy. 我的行李箱 here's 行李箱 so it's like a dot 行李很重 very heavy. So my 行李箱 my suitcase hand is very 重 heavy. 我的行李箱很重。There are clothes in the suitcase. 行李箱里有衣服。行李箱里So inside of the suitcase. 行李箱里有 there is or has 衣服 clothes. So there are clothes in the suitcase. 行李箱里有衣服。Next one, he takes the suitcase to the station. 他拿行李箱去车站。he takes, he brings. 他拿行李箱 suitcase 去 to go to 车站。car 站 station. So 车站 to the station. Maybe it's bus station, maybe it's railway station, but usually it's railway station. So 他拿行李箱去车站 because of course you do not go to bus with suitcase. You usually go to railway station. So 他拿行李箱去车站 to is like to go to somewhere. And the last one for today is 花. As you can see, it's Juan and R, but together it's 花. Picture, painting. So it could be, usually it's noun. Let's see. Painting pictures, drawing pictures. So it's mostly noun. I painted a picture. 我画了一幅画。As you can see, here's 画. It's to draw because we have 了 past simple. I painted. 我画了一幅画. Here's 一幅 it's a measure word for pictures. For drawings, we can say 一个画 or 一幅画. We cannot say 一幅画, but we also can say 一幅画. But be careful. Sometimes it's verb, sometimes it's noun. 我画了一幅画. Here's next one. The painting is on the blackboard. 画在黑板上. 画 the painting 在 at 黑板 blackboard 上 on top of this. So 画在黑板上. The painting is on the blackboard. 画在黑板上 on top of something. And last one, this picture is very beautiful. 这幅画很漂亮. 这幅 measure word 画 picture and very 漂亮 beautiful. 这幅画很漂亮. 这幅画很漂亮. This painting, this picture. Let's repeat what we learned today. 护照 passport. 护照 usually foreign passport for foreign traveling, not for not ID card. 太阳 sun 太阳 黑板 blackboard 黑板行李箱 suitcase 画 picture or painting 画 And we have one new idiom for today. Before we learn 无忧无虑 carefree or without worries. 无忧无虑 Today we learn new one. 有声有色有声有色 有 it's to have 声 it's sound 色 it's color. So let's see. Vivid or lively. He tells stories he tells stories vividly, very lively. 他讲故事有声有色。他讲故事有声有色。讲 here is to tell, to speak, to tell. 故事 history or story. 有声 has a sound has color. 有声有色。他讲故事有声有色。So, this is all for today. 有声有色。So, see you.